Hi. As you can see, the AI Room Makeover workflow is loaded here right now for you. Let me just quickly go through the overall workflow and what it means. So we've got our basic text to image workflow, which is generally used to generate images. So we've got a load checkpoint. We can actually load the different models here. We've got the clip text encoders here, a positive and a negative one. Then your K sampler, VAE decode, and the save image node. What we've done right now to actually use the style from different images, we've actually used an IP adapter, and what it does is it basically helps us to use the style from this image and then basically superimpose that style onto the output image which is generated later. I'll just quickly show that in a minute, but before that, let me also talk about the control net. Why are we using it here? Because we want to retain features from this image, because let's say, just to give you an example of a real world scenario, you've got a client who's asked you to basically keep the bed here and a few features which they would like. So what we've done here, we've used the MLST model here, control net model, which is basically giving you an outline of this image. I'm also adding a preview so that we can also see what that line looks like, what the lines look like. Then yeah, uh, not going to talk more. Let's just quickly do a quick test run and see what we get right now. So as you can see, with the MLST control net, we can see that it has actually given us a quick overview of where the lines are right now. If we want a deeper level of maybe lines, or maybe a higher level map, we can use a different control net model, Canny. That would actually give us a highly detailed map of the image. For now, this is good enough for us. And as you can see that we've got an image generated here, so it actually has retained a lot of different things which was present in that image. You can actually see the bedside stand. You've also got the bed here, the mirror there. It has actually retained most of the things which were coming in from the MLST. So yeah, this is what it is, and what we're trying to do here is trying to generate 5 to 6 different versions of this image. So let me just put in another image and see how that looks like. Loading, queue. Okay, so as you can see, so this image has retained a few more elements from the image provided. So as you can see, we've added a few plants here and there. This time we do not have the mirror because, as you know, it was not present in the scan. So it's okay. We can actually add that using a different model. Then for now, we basically used the style from here into this image, and this is what the output looks like. Okay, thank you so much for listening to me.